how to transfer photos from iPhone to iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can transfer photos from iPhone to iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to transfer photos from iPhone to iPhone, the easier and the best way is always not using third-party app and then just basically going ahead and then using the stock applications or the stock feature called AirDrop. So just select the photos and videos that you want over here. Then after you have done this process, just tap on the share icon over here. Now here you'll find the option called AirDrop. Now you want to make sure that your other iPhone is turned on and that you have AirDrop enabled. Then you can tap on AirDrop. It will look for other users who are using AirDrop and you can select them and all the photos will get transferred instantly, and this is actually quite a bit of a seamless and quick process to do it. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.